Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Navle. Today is 22 November 2022. Today's my Viva topic is string in a Java. So I can telling about string in Java. So in the Java, string basically an object that the represent sequence to char values. Uh, error characteristic works same in the Java strings. Java strings the provide a lot of the method perform the operation strings such as the compare count equals split length replace compare to intern and sub strings. It is using these methods. The Java string class implements serializability, comparable and characteristic sequence interface. The interface is the use the represent sequence of the characteristic. Whenever the change the A1 strings, new instance of the created for the multiple strings can use the string for the classes in this Java. So what is string in Java? So string is the sequence of the characteristic, but in a Java string object about the represent a sequence of the characteristic. The Java language string class is used to create a string objects. Create a strings object. So how to create a string objects? How to string create an object? There are the two ways of the create a string object in the Java. So first way is by string literals, and second is the by new keywords in this Java. So string literals Java. So string literal Java, you can create a string literal. The JVM checks the string constant, check the constant pulls first, and next is the why Java use the concept using the literal because makes Java more the memory efficient by the new keywords. In a such case, JVM will be the create a new string object and normal heap memory. So normal heap memory. So sequentially, string is the sequence characteristic, but Java string is the object class represent the sequence of the characteristics, and the Java string emulate the which means cannot the cannot the change in the strings in the Java. So this is the class implement comparable and char sequentially the interface in Java. So thank you.